Hey there, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the Polygon network on your MetaMask account so that you can save a lot of money on transaction costs when you're trying to do stuff with Ethereum. If you've ever tried to do anything on Ethereum, you've probably noticed that sometimes the gas fees to complete transactions can be quite high. And then you end up paying a pretty decent chunk of change to do anything like buying crypto or sending crypto or listing an NFT or buying an NFT. Anything that you want to do that requires a transaction to be completed on Ethereum costs a gas fee. And if there's a lot of demand on the network, that gas fee can be quite high. Currently, it's sitting at around an average of 40 Gwei, which is honestly not too bad, but sometimes it can go much higher than that. And when that happens, it's very difficult to do anything. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use the Polygon network to have really lowered fees. And I'm going to show you this right here, which is the l2fees.info website, where it tracks how much it costs to do stuff using the different networks that are basically layer 2s built upon Ethereum. And so the transactions get rolled up to Ethereum, but they're not directly onto Ethereum. And that's why you can actually save a lot of money by using something like Polygon. And so I'm using MetaMask today to set up my Polygon account on the Polygon network, but if you're using another extension web browser ETH wallet, it's probably going to be a similar process. And so you can see right here up at the top right hand corner, it says that currently I'm on the Ethereum mainnet. But what I want to do here is add a new network, the Polygon network, so that I can either bridge some assets over or send some assets to myself on the Polygon network. And then when I do transactions on that network, the gas fees are much less. So I'm going to hit add network here, and you can see that this pops up where you have to put in some information. And it's important to get this part correct. And I really wish that there was a feature on MetaMask where if you started typing in the network name Polygon, for example, it would auto-populate the fields and it would automatically recognize what you're trying to do and have that network added. And honestly, I'm not sure why they don't have that feature. It seems like it would be a no-brainer and would really improve the user experience here in MetaMask. Anyways, I'm going to go to this website here, which is actually the Polygon website where it walks you through how you can add the network to something like MetaMask. But it's not only for MetaMask, like I already said. So according to Polygon, there's two ways that you can add the network to MetaMask. You can either use Polygon Scan or you can do it manually. And I'm going to show you how you can do both ways. This one, the first one, is going to be a lot easier. And so I'm going to scroll down here and click on this, go to a new browser tab for Polygon Scan. And this is the blockchain explorer. It's similar to Etherscan, but it's for the Polygon network. And if I scroll down to the bottom, you can see that there's a button here that says Add Polygon Network. And I can just click this. MetaMask is going to pop up automatically and ask me to confirm that I want to do this. And so if I hit approve, that's going to be added in there automatically. I'm not going to do that right now though, because I want to show you how you can do it the other way, manually. And if you want to do it manually, what you have to do is take these responses here over to MetaMask and copy and paste them into these categories here until you can hit save. And once that happens, it's going to be added to the network. Now, honestly, I would just recommend doing it the first way, the easier way, because you won't have to copy and paste these, and you can be certain that you're getting everything correct. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the first way, go back to Polyscan and add the network to MetaMask, hit approve here. And then if I switch the network, it's going to switch over to the new Polygon network. Now, let me show you what that looks like back over in MetaMask. Okay, so now when I open up MetaMask, you can see that it's on the MATIC or the Polygon page now. And it says I have 0 MATIC. I haven't sent any yet to this address. But if I click up here, top right corner again, you can see now that I have two different networks, the Ethereum mainnet and the MATIC mainnet. And if I want to toggle between them, I can still go back over to Ethereum mainnet very easily. It shows all the activity. Same thing with the MATIC mainnet. Now, a very important thing to mention here is that the address, the wallet address for the Polygon or the MATIC mainnet is the exact same as it is for the Ethereum mainnet. So my wallet address is still howtoeth.eth or ox363 ... So it's the same series of letters and numbers, or if you've registered an ENS domain name and attached it to this account, it's the same. It's just basically using it on a different network. And so if I want to send MATIC tokens or ETH or anything else to this account, I send it to the exact same wallet address as if I was sending it on the Ethereum mainnet. But as long as I send it from a source that's going on the Polygon mainnet, it's going to show up in this account as opposed to in my ETH account. And I'm going to show you in the next video how you can do that.